I hope you can hear me. I made my way down to downtown LA, and today I have a very fun special project I'm working on. So we're looking for fabric. I think I see what I need. I really like this, but I feel like it's so long. So I'll figure out what my little jewelry store was called, but it's on the corner of San Julian and 9th Street. On the corner, not exactly on the corner because like this is the corner. And then our fabric store was just in the middle of there. But we're actually gonna go right here and grab zippers. So I'm gonna grab some of these to like hook my, thing up to. So this guy's got a whole bucket of zippers. So we're gonna find one that's about this long. And hopefully we can find one that's about this color. Ooh, and there's one. And two, found them. Okay, we've got one more store to go to. We're gonna go into the Bohemian Crystal, that's what it's called. And we're gonna go and get just like some chain to use as the strap, kind of like this one. So yeah. We just got the last little bit. I got a chain and little clippies to hook the purse together. Oh, I just told you what it was, but it's a surprise for my niece. The pigtails are cute. Okay, we're using the studio space to get ready in my messy room.
Hi, I'm Gisana. Tania is my auntie. Known her for the majority of my life.
We are going to crush tonight. So, ooh, yeah, I think the bun's great. Do the bun. Do the bun. These are the fits. Bing, bing. I'm so excited. We have like a cool night plan. We're gonna go dance. We're gonna make some chocolate covered strawberries. I made her a purse. It's so cute. I'll show you. So I'm gonna spoil the plot for you now and tell you that the purse came out cute and all, but you see how this hair is so long? Yeah, I just kind of kept getting caught in the zipper. So, it was kind of a failure. The purse, style over function completely 100% of the way. So, but that's not even what's the most important thing. I really wanted to take her and have a fun Valentine's Day. Yeah, we're trying to make glitter gel at home. So we really got some hair gel and then put glitter in it. I feel like this is what I see them do on Instagram. Okay, let's do it. I'm risking life and limb and skin for this, but it's always this serious.
My favorite part of the night was definitely the getting ready part. Like, that was so much fun. Like, just putting our outfit together.
Look at how good this hair glitter is coming out.
Should I go back some more?
Yeah.
I don't really wear makeup and stuff, and I don't like get all like dressed up a lot, so that was probably my favorite part, was like putting the outfit together. And then we took some pictures, we did a little TikTok, and then we got to the rave. It was super cool. So my first rave, it was actually really fun. It was different and I love trying new things, so I had a lot of fun just experiencing it and like being a part of that culture and the environment. It's super cool. Everyone's like loving, and I was like, wow, this is amazing. The the venue we was at was actually really pretty. It was all decorated. It was in like Valentine's Day themes. But yeah, like I spent a lot of holidays with them and just like random visits with her, and it's really fun. Yeah. Also, she's super ugly. Don't like she'll call me Jason. I would call her ugly just because, you know, can't let her head get too big. But she's actually really pretty, so don't tell her that I said that though. But yeah, it's actually funny. I think it's like super cute and I love it because it's our little thing. Okay, bye.